This is a demonstration mock-up for wall-mounted automatic fire extinguisher. This setup is about 2 kg powder wall-mounted extinguisher is mounted at the wall. With the help of a telescopic arm, we had brought it to the center of the table. So in the real life scenario, we expect to use this telescopic arm if the area of protection is directly targeted. So therefore, here you can see there is a circular tray, and we have filled it with the heptane agent, and we light this fire. This fire will grow automatically till the time the temperature is reaching to the threshold of this quartz bulb. And once the temperature has reached to the thresholds, then it will break the bulb and the system will get automatically started. Different type of bulbs are available, so depending on different applications, where high heats are there, then high rated bulbs are to be used, and where the heat is not so high or is a air conditioned environment, then it is with the customer to choose a lower rated bulb. So now we'll start the demonstration. So we will now light the fire. This is a high temperature bulb we have used here, so it will take little time, and we are doing a real life demonstration in an open area. The outside temperature currently is hovering around 9 to 11 degrees. So as you see, the fire is growing. The installation is done above the surface level of the fire, around 1.2 meters. That's the maximum distance what we are recommending. If you go closer to the fire potential source, then it can be installed lower also. So you can see a cloud of powder has come out and the fire is totally extinguished. And you can see the quartz bulb is broken. The product is actuated and fire is extinguished. We have installed FK clean agent based wall mounted fire extinguisher in an enclosure which is having a volume of 1 cubic meter. We will ignite the heptane cup burners and let the flame rise and temperature reaches to the threshold, and the quartz bulb shall get actuated. So we have set up 3 cup burners. One is the large size just below the unit, and others 2 at little farther, and we will watch out how the extinguishment is happening. Ready to light the fire. Doors to be closed. So we'll wait till the temperatures are reaching to the threshold so that the product can get actuated and a suppression could take place. So the product got actuated and a complete extinguishment has been taken place.